Let your breath guide you back to wholeness. This healing meditation helps you reconnect with your body's natural intelligence, release tension, realign your body and mind for peace, balance, and self-healing. You'll cultivate gratitude, inner strength, and self-compassion. Each breath restores balance and awakens your natural healing energy, guiding you toward renewal, peace, and wholeness. Welcome to the Mindful Movement. I'm Sarah Raymond. I invite you to make yourself comfortable. Allow your eyes to close. Settle into a familiar ease and begin to simply notice your breath. Let your attention rest on the quiet rhythm that is already here, the gentle rise and fall that has always sustained you. With each slow inhale, life enters. With each soft exhale, release follows. Allow the breath to lengthen now, unhurried and natural. As you breathe, feel your body settling. Your shoulders soften. Your jaw loosens. The muscles around your eyes rest. With every breath, your body begins to remember how to let go. You remember how to love and accept all parts of you, even the parts that need healing. As you continue to breathe, begin to sense the quiet music that lives inside each breath. The rhythm of life itself is singing softly through you. You do not have to create it or force it. Simply listen. The breath is the first note, steady and kind, guiding you home to yourself. As your body relaxes, you may begin to feel this gentle song moving through you. Perhaps it hums in your chest or ripples through your belly. Maybe it moves like a warm current from your heart to every cell. Your body has always known this song. It's the vibration of life buzzing through you, the energy of your healing ability, the melody of balance and peace. With every inhale, you welcome the tone of life. With every exhale, you let go of anything that is not in harmony with your healing. The song continues, tender and patient, reminding you that you are safe. Your unique song carries the wisdom of unconditional self-love and acceptance, the wisdom to heal when you slow down and listen to this song. Now bring your awareness to the center of your body. This is your center of strength, your center of feeling. Breathe into it gently. Notice whatever sensations arise. There is nothing to fix, nothing to push away. You are only listening. You are acknowledging this part of you that has worked so hard. You can whisper to yourself, I am here for you. As you breathe and listen, imagine that the song of your breath reaches this space, wrapping it in calm acceptance. Each note says, you belong, you are loved, you are part of this healing. With every breath, this part of you begins to soften, to trust, to join in the harmony. Now imagine the song of your breath expanding. Your breath carries its music to every part of your body. Your bones begin to hum with quiet strength. Your muscles vibrate with life. Even the tiniest cells begin to respond, turning toward balance and renewal. This song is your body's wisdom, reminding you of what it knows how to do. Heal, restore, and thrive, all the forms of healing you are, receiving any treatments, prayers, or natural supports, all flow together now, woven into one living rhythm. Each breath you take blends these energies into perfect harmony. All forms of healing are collaborating. They move together in a single unified pulse of healing energy that flows through you with ease, like the beautiful harmony of a well-practiced orchestra. You might imagine this healing as a luminous current of energy, a gentle wave of color or vibration that travels through your entire being. It reaches every place that needs nourishment and every space that has waited quietly for your attention. Each pulse brings strength, resilience, and calm. With every breath, this current of energy grows clearer. The song of your body becomes fuller, richer, and more vibrant. You are not separate from your healing. You are the conductor of this music, guiding your healing with compassion and intention. Now let gratitude rise within you, not as a thought, but as a feeling that expands through the rhythm of your breath. Gratitude is the language of your heart. With each inhale, breathe in appreciation for your body and all it continues to do for you. With each exhale, breathe out thanks for the support and love that surrounds you. Feel gratitude for the people who care for you, for the wisdom of those guiding your healing, for the strength within you that has carried you to this moment. Gratitude flows like harmony, aligning every note of your being with love. As the feeling of gratitude deepens, notice how the music inside you grows stronger. It becomes a song of rebirth, a melody of awakening, a rhythm of healing. You are returning to yourself, renewed and whole. You are remembering that healing is not something outside you. It is who you are. With each breath, your song becomes clearer. It is the sound of acceptance. It is the lyrics of love. It is the hum of your body's wisdom. Awakening. You may hear it, feel it, or simply know it is there, resonating through every part of you. Whisper again to yourself, I'm here for you. These words are a promise of compassion. They travel through your body like a loving vibration, telling every cell, every system, every thought that you are safe, supported, and loved. Now imagine your whole body breathing together as one instrument, each breath drawing in life and health, each exhale releasing into peace. The song moves freely from your heart to your fingertips, from your breath to your bones, uniting all that you are. Allow this music of healing to fill the space around you until you feel completely surrounded by calm and warmth. You are the breath. You are the song. You are harmony itself. Take a few slow breaths now, resting in the stillness that follows the music. In this space, your healing continues. Every part of you is working together with intelligence and grace. You can trust the wisdom of your body. You can trust the rhythm of your breath. You can trust the song of your healing. Take a long, slow breath now, feeling the air move through you easily and freely. Let it remind you of your strength, your resilience, your capacity to heal. When you are ready, begin to bring your awareness back to the space around you. Feel the surface supporting you. Notice the rhythm of your breath as it continues to move effortlessly. You may wish to carry this feeling of harmony with you, knowing that your body and mind remain connected to this song of healing and gratitude. Take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, open your eyes, return calm, grounded, renewed, and in complete trust of the healing within you.